On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful, super califragilistic, expialidocious, all-time high celebration into dump, into possible pump. How the heck is ADA up 8%? What trash is this, man? My God. You can't write it. I mean, one of the best trading days yesterday in a while. I mean, I think I made $1,800. Good day. Took the long with you guys. Took another scalp short on Bitcoin. And then, damn, did we smash that Solana trade in the Discord. My God. Put a 1 if you're part of the family and you took that Solana trade with me. Woo-wee. Anyways, let's get it. Today's a new day, right? Great wins yesterday. Let's do it again. Let's not get our hopes up. Let's be responsible. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully we're all having a good time and a fun time and all-time high. But right now, I know that the gang is having a good time. Let's go, baby. I know they all took that trade with me. Okay, anyways. How are we all doing? How the heck is ADA? ADA just decides to explode. My God. ADA can go, I don't know. I sold my ADA. Okay. I bought ADA on the FTX collapse. I think it was 30 cents or something like that. Like a massive snipe of a buy. And it didn't do anything. And then I sold it for Sui. And they both did about the same. Now Sui's outperforming. So I think I made a better choice. I'd rather own Sui than ADA. Just saying. It's all funny money anyways, isn't it? So Bitcoin coming into our buy level right now, trying to bounce. Ethereum trying to bounce as well. Okay, we got Ethereum trying to do the little bounce here on the bouncy castle. Okay, looking good. Looking good, guys. Look, Ethereum's swept the lows. Look, sell side liquidity, all that stuff bouncing, coming back up. Aerodrome still moving to the moon. That's Solana trade, man. I closed out last night because I didn't want to hold it overnight and be checking my... I mean, I could have just Guys, we got long here. Literally here. This was the long that I entered with the Discord yesterday. I got out right here. Right around here. Loser, right? You guys can put a big L in the chat. You can put a big L in the chat. If anyone wants to put a big L in the chat for Lehu, Zay, her, AlexOCrypto. I get it, man. I understand. You think I don't like holding trades overnight. I take my profits and run. Put a big L in the chat for me, please. A big $755 L, okay? Anyways. It happens. I'm not good with leaving runners, okay? We all know that here. However, we did we not hand out the beautiful long yesterday? Yeah, we did. What was the liquid thing we were talking about yesterday, guys? Liquidity clusters. That's the one. We used the liquidity clusters yesterday to our advantage. And we were able to get long right here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. The liquidity clusters. Okay. Great job, everybody. Liquidity clusters here. Let's say good morning to everybody here. Oh, no, you didn't leave a runner. Yeah, I know. I'm an idiot. Good morning, Crypto Michael. How you doing, man? How's the mining going, man? If you guys didn't know, Crypto Michael has a channel as well, I believe. Have you been doing mining videos? Are you mining? 2,000 subscribers. Look at this guy. Okay, mining channel. Go check him out. Friend of the channel. God bless you, bro. Dusty Hunt, what's going on, man? You got me with your name again, Dusty. Crypto Reaper, what's going on? Good morning, Gains for Life. I don't know why YouTube hasn't fixed this. Dan O'Fettertu, what's going on, man? SK Bulp, Alexander G, Otter Gang, smack up those like buttons, please, and subscribe if you are new. Good morning, Alex. Today is PP in your eye day. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It's PP in your eye day. This is our favorite. We have PP in your eye day. So if you don't know the story, there was this guy who was trolling me. Like, he would show up to the stream every day. And his name was D.I. Just capital D, capital I, with a space in between. Okay, and he would show up every day and talk. But then he just started trolling me, like, quite hard. So I kind of got upset. And then I told him, I hope someone puts a D in your eye, and then I banned him. So now we have PP in your eye to remind me of D in your eye. Does anybody remember that troll DI? You guys remember that? I told him I'd put a D in his eye. Yeah, I kind of got upset. I went off the deep end. I told him to put a D in his eye. But we're into the PP in your eye data today, okay? Thank you for being here. And thanks for reminding me, Alexandra G, that today is PP in your eye day. Dan O'Fairtu, SK, Corn, what's going on? The Clayton, what's going on? Ava, Paper Planes, my man, what's going on, bro? Kalu, I can't. Someone's photography there. Loco, Pat, Milan, Hulk Smash. Let's go, baby. Good morning, Fecker. I mean, every time I say it, I feel bad. Investment, what's going on, man? Good to see you. TRD Farmer, my man. What's going on, Jesse? Good to see you, Mike. Albert, Rajagukuk, and the gang. Let's go, baby. Todd, Mab the Great, MAB. It's in the game. Crypto Birdie, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Mr. Print here, thank you for being here. Nye Hill. I got to make this like font bigger. I can't read it that well. Shriyan, Gains for Life. What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. I do have a mosquito in my room right now, and I have like mosquito. You know when you know there's a mosquito in the room and you think it's like biting your ankles? I was doing the video recording for the gang, and it landed like literally on my screen, and I couldn't kill it. I'm still looking for it, man. If you show up, Mr. Mosquito, I'm here for you. If you bite my ankles, I will pull your wings off and let you crawl around the floor. Okay, we won't do that. We're not children anymore. Gains for Life. What's going on, Curtis Neal, my man, AlexOCrypto, Steve Hickey. How you doing, man? How you doing it? How did everybody do yesterday? I had a great day. We made all-time highs. Made a lot of good trades. Kicked ass, take names. Discord's on fire, man. Nothing better. Spent the day with my family. Went and bought some plants. Okay? We went and bought some plants for our new place. You gotta have plants. Plants are good, man. I had to leave Oswald behind. We know Oswald, my money tree. I just got to make the money here now. I almost bought another money tree. What's going on, Mazda, man? Good to see you, Blair Force One. Thank you for being here. We got 250 people in here. God bless you all. Thank you for being here. Even the lurkers in the background. I'm grateful that you're here, too. If you wouldn't mind just smacking up that like button. We got 70 likes. We can do better than that on these rookie numbers. Philly Skills. Wagwan, man. Good to see you. Ando Pancho. Jason, good morning to you. Async, good night, Straya, folks. Let's go, baby. Mab the Great, let's go. Chris Ford Ranger, thank you for being here. F-Bomb, Ezra, Scum. Guten Morgen, Alex. Danke schnell. Krankenhausenwagen. That's all I got, man. I know, hospital, I know ambulance, I know thank you, and I know quickly. Schnell. And that's it. Return to Castle Wolfenstein. All right. We got bull divs here trying to push up. Ooh, I'm not even on my scalp setup here. Oh, boo, 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 boo. Okay. Bull divs trying to push up here. Money flow trying to make a higher low. Continuation up into this standard deviation 1 band right now. We do have pivots from yesterday below and above. Okay, so can we come up here? Possibly for a retracement into this area here at 122, 800, 123. Right now we're coming back for some sell side liquidity. We'll see if we do continue to push down. I am looking for a pink box retracement here. We do have a pretty aggressive momentum in here, so we can track that, I guess. See if we break that. Trying to push back here, okay? Trying to push back. ETH has pushed back. Solana should have left a runner, guys. I'm going to regret this for the rest of my life. Everybody remember 195 Solana for AlexOCrypto. Absolutely caught the bottom with the gang. Told everybody I'm going long on Solana. And everybody still got a runner going here. We're making lots of money. Me? No, not 2D. Not 2D. Oh, well. Looking for a push back, okay, possibly into these highs here. Let's pull our fib locally. Let's take a look here. Let's go from the impulse. I swear there's a mosquito in here, and I felt it. Bro, you're gonna get wrecked, man. Not today. Don't be giving me a itchy leg or something like that. I hate that, man. It's these Canadian mosquitoes too. They bite you, bro, and you're like, it's like a tumor. Stop whining, you know? It's that one. Get down. Stop whining. Sui, yes, let's go. Phil Chill, what's going on? Curtis Hill, the Pinkertons, what's going on, Mr. Pink? What about Mr. Blue? Chris Ford Ranger, B-Rad, thank you for being here. Steve Hickey, God bless, man. Thank you for being here as well. Investment. Chris Reitz. Dave Digital, in the shape of an L of your forehead. Yeah, exactly. That song. 15 minutes till news data here. Very scammy wick just now. Weird. That's very scammy. The best, man. Love Jim Carrey, man. He's Canadian. It's probably the only thing that's good that's come out of Canada. Even Mike Myers lost the touch, man. Good morning, Matrix. Hot Tamale. Thank you for being here, John. Rob, thank you for being here as well. Good morning to you. Thank you. Vegas Claw. Liquid Diddy. You got to watch out for that. John Foster Crypto says Link. You looking at Link, bro? What's going on with Link? Looking at 2250 on Link. Consolidation sideways, downtrend. Oh, I got Kleenexes. Make a joke. All right. Oh my God! Look at that spike down, massive spike down, sell off. You guys, you don't want to mess with this. This isn't even in the news. Jeez, that's aggressive. What's the VIX at? Volatility is low, which just means snappy price action. This is terrible. This is really slow. Okay. Spike down for Bitcoin here. Damn, that was ugly. That was really ugly. In environments like this, it's like you better be using a stop loss, guys. Joking goat giggles. What's going on? Vegas, baby. I guess we're going to have to go to Vegas again for the new conference, aren't we? There, Dave Digital. And bring our tennis rackets. Play a game of... I'm going to make Dave run. Look at the dump. Look at the dump, guys. ETH 2? No. Sell off here on Bitcoin. SFP of the lows in play here, guys. SFP bounce, continuation trade. No trade yet, still waiting. Damn, that was a sell-off, man. Still waiting here. No trade. That's a nasty candle. Jeez. Into the little order block here. SFP of it is complete. Ooh wee. Eee. She nasty, man. Can we close back within the range? Or are we just going to dump here? Bitcoin dumping, everybody. Holy smokes. Into the PP in your eye data. My God. Thank you, everybody, for being on the show. We got 315 people here and 96 likes, guys. Thank you for that like button being slapped. Trying to get back within the range here. Nothing yet. No trade. Bull div. Bull div. 3 drives bull div. But it's got to come up here for me. 127.75. Damn, Daniel. I do not like how fast that happened. Yeah, no trade here. Really fast. We still got a minute left on this candle. It could push up. It could push up. We still got a minute left. No trade yet. Still waiting. Damn, that was a good sell-off, though. Good sell-off. Can it continue? We are looking down here at 12300. Pink box. Gotta love a pink box, man. It's got to push back in here. Volume increasing here. No trade yet. 30 seconds on candle. Mm-hmm. 20 seconds. It's got to push up to like 7:20, 7:30. Otherwise, no bueno. See, this is no bueno. 5, 3, 2, 1. Nasty candle. Okay? That's why you don't. That's why you wait. That's why you wait right there. It's exactly why you wait. You see what I mean? That's why you wait. Discord knows. Breaking down now. Bitcoin dumping, baby. 3 black crows. We had 3 yellow raisins, 3 yellow raisins, followed by 3 black crows. Oh, that's nice. I like that. That's a good pushback. Go, Bitcoin. Go, Bitcoin. Push back into that range, baby. Come on. Buyers stepping up here. Clear as day. Oof. I'm going to get long here. I'm long. See if we can push up. Let's go, Bitcoin. Nice push. Stop loss to entry, guys. TP1 hit. Up 150 bucks. See if we can follow through here. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin to the moon. We're getting hit by a mosquito. Great pushback here. That was a beautiful candle. You can see buyers stepping up there very quickly with the volume. See if we do want to follow through here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. GG's, everybody. Make sure you get your sandwich out. Wayne C's in the chat. We be printing. Good morning, Army Piper. We're going to have to send them over to the Piper Academy today to learn about PP in your eye data. Because I don't know much about PP in your eye data. All I know is it's coming out in 6 minutes, so I'm going to take profits. Because no one goes broke taking profits, no? Take the money and run. Up 300 bucks. Up 300 bucks. Been here for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 300 bucks. So that would be 900 bucks an hour. I'm down for that, guys. I am down for that. GG's in the chat. Let's go. Otter gang. We are on fire lately. Can't miss. Can't miss. Let's go. I'm getting so excited. Oh. Sorry. I don't normally get this excited, but yesterday, boom, caught the low. Boom, caught Solana low. Today, boom, caught the next low. Pattern recognition. Let's go. Treadmill plus walking desk. Okay, here you go, Dave Digital. I do those stupid TikTok videos where they're running. Otter gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Push it, Bitcoin. PP in your eye data is going to come out and pump this rookie numbers to the moon. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Push it. I'm new. What the? Welcome. If you are new, this is the show. We sit here, we press buy and sell. That's it, man. Talk a lot of shit. Oh, I swear. I get two leniencies, okay? I added a lot of money to the swear jar yesterday, Billy. Damn, Daniel. What are we looking for the PP in your eye data there, Piper? What are we looking for, man? PP in your eye. Price, producer price index. Producer price inflation. See, I don't even know how to say it. Expected to rise. So we have consensus here at 0.2. I don't know. All I know is we want. I don't know what we want. We want no inflation, right? No inflation. Zero inflation. But there's always going to be about 4% debasement of currency every year, right? 4% minimum. It's more like 12, right? But the whole plan is 4% debasement of currency. What's going on, Randy Hipper? Good to see you. Hopefully you we sent the gang over to Randy Hipper yesterday. I guess we'll send them over to Piper today. I don't know. We just sharing this, Karen, right? Good morning, Sniper's Nightmare. Wick's wife. Thank you guys for being here. Pew, 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 pew. There's the snipers. There's wifey's emoji as well. See? I get to apply for emojis September 9th. I don't know if they'll accept me. But if they don't accept me, guys, we need to rally around the channel for the emojis. Because I don't care about monetization. You guys know me. I give away all the money. Anyways. All right. What's going on, Jesse? Happy belated birthday, man. I sang to you yesterday, bro. Hopefully you're feeling better, too. Wick's wife, wifey, thank you for being here. Dragonfly, Crypto Billy, my man. CB in the chat, bro. CB in the chat. Better behave yourselves there, children. Team Salty. Everyone should be buying more spot right now. Okay. FOMO long. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. What's going on, DDT? Good to see you in the chat, bro. How you been? 2 minutes till news, guys. Jay Violet, good morning. Thank you for being here. Dave Roy, Wayne C. Wayne C, did you tell me what kind of sandwiches you've been getting lately, bro? Hopefully they're good. Insiders know the PP is in your eye. Yeah. It'll go the opposite direction whenever I enter, no matter how good the analysis is. I felt like that once too, man. Stay with us. Hopefully we can help you. Solana, man. I don't even want to look at Solana. Guys, I have a resentment now. After that, I didn't leave a runner, guys. I failed. We got a breakout of momentum here trying to run. This is like an easy long setup here. Easy long setup here on Solana. Looking to go to what was that key level? I think it was 224. Let me double check for you guys. 215 then to 224. Yeah. That's where you're looking to go. 214 is your first resistance. Bitcoin dumping. Uh-oh. I'm going to get stopped out here. PP in your eye data is out. Bounce Bitcoin. No. Oh, $300. Who cares? All right. PP in your eye data is out, guys. We got a 0.9. That's pretty high. That's not good. That's inflation, right? That's really bad. Ooh. Bitcoin dumping. That's really bad. 0.9. That's really bad. High AF. That's high AF, guys. Stopped out. Nice winner. Quick $300 to start the day. No problem with that. I like a $300 day so far. GG's in the chat. PP's dumping. Hitting our pink box right now. Quick $300. No trade here. Just going to let the data bake a bit. Okay. Coming into our pink box here, trying to bounce. No trade for me here. Damn, that's high. That's very high. That's like the movie, how high. I do want to press buy here, but I'm not going to. It's data. Data, whatever you want to call it. You can call me data. Oh, Solana. Solana dumping into our green box now for Solana. Don't tell me I'm going to feel good about closing that Solana trade. Don't tell me I'm going to feel good. Oof. Bitcoin trying to bounce here. Ooh, volatility in the morning. Pengu setup. Pengu dumping. Too much. No setup here, guys. No setup here. Virtual, no setup there either, okay? Don't be buying alts right now. Just wait. Be patient. Bitcoin trying to bounce. This looks nasty. How's the NASDAQ behaving? NASDAQ don't like it either. NASDAQ dumping as well. Look at the NAS. The NAS is dumping. No bueno, guys. Bitcoin, pretty flat. Looks like we got continuation down here. No trade. That is high, isn't it? Link alert going off. All my alerts are going off. Link. Pengu. Bitcoin dumping. Bitcoin is dumping, man. I thought we had them in the bag here. We were up $500. We got rug pulled. That's why you use a good risk management strategy. We're up $300 even though the price got rugged. Incredible. Incredible. Hopefully you guys are always using good risk management. The chat disconnected. We're back. Okay. Should have taken more profit last night before going to sleep. Yeah. Yeah. All-time highs, right? All-time highs, bearish divergence. The warning signs were there, everybody. Whew. Bitcoin dumping right through our pink box, coming down to our 119 buy level. Okay. Get rid of this one too. Oof, coming right down here. Oh my Lord. Liquidation Central, baby. Network error on the exchange. Just too much dumpage. That is a red candle, baby. I think OC yesterday gave a short setup. Oh, my Lord. Oh, this is nasty. Oh. This is good, man. This is good. I don't mind watching this thing with you guys. Look at this thing. It doesn't. Is anyone short? Jeez. I warned the Discord about this for like a week straight. Do you guys want me to pull up the warning? Considering a short here. Pull back. Too volatile, man. Too volatile. Big liquidity grab. I got network errors everywhere. Even the exchange doesn't want to work. That's a big liquidity grab. Jeez. How many people are going to say buy the dip? Buy the dip. Buy the dip. They're rugging everyone. Yep. My exchange isn't even working right now. Network error. What a joke. Network is down. It's all messed up, man. They're all just playing games. They're all just playing games right now. Network error. Got a pushback here for Bitcoin though. Looking good. Nice pushback. Grabbing all that late, long liquidity here. News event to rug everybody in the whole crypto world, man. That is some games, guys. This is why we use good risk management. This is why look at this. 9% for Jasmy, 10% for Virtual, Pengu. My God. It's gross, man. It's a gross, gross world. Trading isn't easy. And they're not going to make it easy, that's for damn sure. Coming into our little buy level here. Which buy level was it going to be? That is the question, right? Stalling out after the big dump here. I don't know if the exchanges are coming back yet. Mine still is giving me network error. Checking it over here. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? That's why you always put the stop loss on the screen, everybody. Always put the stop loss on the screen. I've learned my lesson. I lost $5,000 on MexC once. And they didn't even reimburse me. They gave me $900 back. Okay? That's why I always say, don't keep a lot of money on that exchange. Let's zoom out a bit here, guys. A little bit too much zoom in. Coming into the point of control. Okay, bounce level here. Sweeping that low. Point of control down in here. Level headed again. Let's get back into it, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Up $300 today. We'll see if it does want to continue to dump or if that was sufficient. We have swept all this liquidity in here. Very good job by the bulls or the bears. Network is not working. Considering a long here, really. I'm going to get long. I think I'll get long. My network's back on. You can't stop AlexOCrypto. We here for the money, baby. I want my $300 back, you rug show. Come on, Biddy, push. Push, Biddy. Come on, baby. Push back. Nice push. TP1 hit. Stop loss to entry. Let's go, baby. I want my $200 back. Give me my $200. You took my $200. I want 5 now. Push, Biddy. TP1 hit. $75 up. Exchange is back. So am I. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. V-shaped recovery. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Come on. You can't be upset about this. Let's go. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. Don't be a nambe-pambe. Let's go right back up to where we started. Me and Casper I got to get Jason Casper with the Fibonacci looking at me. Everybody can't stab me. Pressing by when no one else is going to cry. You know, I need someone on the mic. Right? Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Push. Push Bitcoin. Don't be a namby-pamby. You know what? I told you I wanted my $200 back. I'm taking it back, man. Right now. This is a little bit risque. I'm going to take it back right now. Give me my $200. See, when you believe that the markets are going to do what you want, and you see the price action behaving in a certain way, you know what they just did? They just scammed your liquidity, right? They just wanted to rug all the leverage. They're trapping all the leverage. Give me my $200 back, Bitcoin. Give it back. Come on, a little bit further, a little bit lower, and a little bit slower. Don't be a dick for a tick. Come on. Give me my $200. Thank you very much. 260 realized. $20,000. They'll let it run. I got my $200 back. Put GGs in the chat. AlexOCrypto taking back what was his. Oh, too good, man. Give him my $200 back. Too much fun, man. Too much fun. All right, guys. We'll see if this wants to run. Who cares if it does? If it doesn't, whatever. I just wanted to get my $200 back. Take what is yours. That's why nobody will remember your name. I'm going to start busting movie quotes. Strength and honor. Are you not entertained? Is this not what you came for? Let's go, baby. Stop loss at entry could get stopped out very easily here, okay, guys? Entries at 119, 196. Looks like it's coming back. That's why we took our $200 and ran. It's a very volatile area here, guys. Okay? It's a very volatile area. Push, 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 push. Made $2,000 from the short. Good job, Mario. Mario, congratulations, bro. Oh, we just missed our stop loss there, guys. Just missed our stop loss. Anybody get long here? Look at that. Look at that. AlexOCrypto's lucky man. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Made $8,000 from that drop. Congratulations. We had PPI data, and it came in very, very hot. Like expected 0.3, and it came in 0.9. Very aggressive. So it gave the market a perfect opportunity to flush. And guess what? We've been talking about liquidity being in these lows forever, right? If they're going to send price up, they need to, in my mind, the market maker's job is to get rid of leverage, okay? Where's all the liquidity? In here. What did they sweep? I mean, we could just draw a line here, guys. You don't got to be a rocket scientist. What did they sweep? Okay. They swept it all, right? You could be mad, or you could be prepared. And even in here, you use a stop loss. Maybe you had a bit of slippage because that was pretty aggressive, okay? How many people wanted to short in here? Right? So we'll see what happens. What an amazing show this morning already. What are we up? 300. We're up $560. Volatility in the morning, baby, with AlexOCrypto. Thank you, everybody, for being here. If you're having fun here, or maybe you're just frustrated because you missed the long, or you whatever. 400, 600, almost 700 people on the live stream. This is like a record, 688. And only 163 likes. We've taken 2 trades with you guys, given them in advance, showing you guys the trades, hanging out with you guys. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out, subscribing if you're new. We're here live every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., trading Bitcoin live, showing you everything, not hiding any of these trades, taking the trades live. I mean, it's a good time, man. So thank you, everybody, for being here. I do appreciate you guys for supporting the channel and hanging out. And if you do ever want to take your trading further, and you do want beautiful Solana calls, like this one we gave in the Discord, I said, I am entering Solana. You could have done it blindfolded. Okay? If you do want to take trading further, come over to the Discord. Come and hang out. I just got stopped out there. Just got stopped out on that sweep down, which is fine. Come over to the Discord. Hang out. Join the free section. Stopped out here. Another $305. Let's go, baby. Up 600 today. Up 600 and change. Let's go. Wow, what a dump. What a dump. Okay, let's see if we can find something new here. So perfectly executed liquidity sweep. Sweeping leverage, right? The NASDAQ trying to bounce as well, retesting previous highs, as we all know. Okay, perfect retest of highs. Looking for a continuation, climbing the wall of worry. The NASDAQ, step, which is still bullish, okay? Looking to get pushing back into the highs in here, so we'll see how that reacts going into market open. We can expect a dump from the S&P 500, therefore making maybe the market open a little bit bearish to start. Okay, so let's be prepared. It's 8:50. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live stream. Let's update the beautiful chat here. Bitcoin looking to push back, but I'm not 100% convinced. I just wanted my $200 back. Let's be honest. Okay. Looking for a structure in here now. Because of the sweep, because of the whatever. 3% rug. That's nasty, man. Whew. Nasty, nasty, nasty. We need to be prepared. So what is the dealio here? Looking at market cipher and how we can interpret this is right now we still got room on the daily to push, okay? Room on the daily to push. However, VWAP is resetting. So still some time left here. Like we want VWAP to be down in here with momentum coming up. Right now we don't have that. We want to see a bounce off the zero line and continuation onwards and upwards. The 12-hour to me is the concerning one. In this downtrend here, failing to really push off of the zero line. So we want to see positive posturing coming into tomorrow, Friday, which we also have news. What else do we have? What news data do we have on Friday? We have retail sales tomorrow. Okay, retail sales. So be prepared for that. Okay. 8-hour money flow. Still looking great. Double top here, warning sign. Okay. Confirmation of a red dot coming in a couple hours, so be aware of that. The 4, the 3, the 2, the 1. This is what we mostly prioritize, right? And we are looking at the Jesus take the wheel here yesterday. Guess what? We got another one. We got Jesus takes the wheel times 2. Look, we got one here, and he didn't trigger wave. And then we got another one here. Okay? So we're looking for the trigger wave. We want to see VWAP turn to the upside. This is going to take some time, right? Probably until tomorrow morning. Interesting. Is anybody long right now? Bitcoin's looking to push as we speak here. Got this bottoming structure looking to push back up, possibly to VWAP right now. No trade for me. Up a chunk today, so we'll see. We want to be selective with our trades right now. Volatility obviously coming in this morning. Looking at our 3, our 2, our 1. 3. Look how low VWAP is. This is always a good sign of a pushback because VWAP acts like a chain, and the ball is the momentum. So if this is going to pull up, that's going to pull the momentum with it. If you think about it that way, right? So if the VWAP starts to rip, whoop, you would expect this thing to come back up with it. Okay, so be aware of that. Obviously, we've had a big rug show this morning, sweeping all the liquidity. Could still be occurring, okay? It doesn't mean that this rug show is done. It just means that a lot of leverage has been destroyed. We can go to I guess you could look at like some liquidations. If you wanted to look at liquidations, liquidation heat maps, stuff like that, you could probably see a lot of people just got wrecked. A lot of people. Not us, but a lot of people, right? We prepared here. That's all I got to say. Yeah, we look at the heat map. I mean, $118. Famous 118, right? 118. Anyways, I'm not a heat map kind of guy. I'm a scalpy kind of dude. I'm aware of where liquidity resides. Obviously, you got to know liquidity, market structure, price action, volume. That's all you got to know. Now the 1 hour is the hopium, right? The 1 hour is curving to the downside. VWAP's downwards here, but we can see that turn back up. Okay, so that's the hopium here. However, everything seems to be rolling over right now. So I'd be careful with the longs today until this afternoon. 30-minute coming out pretty aggressive. Same with the 24, yeah. Money flow to the downside. This is nasty here. Okay, so be prepared. Prepared trader is a profitable trader. Thank you, everybody, for being on this live, hanging out this morning. 2 trades, 2 winner chicken dinners, and a big rug show. Pretty wild. Pretty wild. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. The only thing I require here is for you guys to say good morning. So thank you for being here, saying good morning. 730 people on the live stream. Setting records today, guys. This is pretty cool, man. Thank you guys for being here. Pretty wild. I can't believe 700, full-grown men are sitting there in their wanking chariots here, hanging out with me, pressing buy and sell. Pretty cool. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Django. Good to see you guys. Good afternoon, Rug Daughters. We're going to zero. Yeah, this is the fear, right? They want to induce fear, right? When there's blood in the streets, right? What's going on? Thank you for being here. And women not wanking, though. Okay. Am I supposed to say like bean flick or something like that? I don't know. I think I got 4% women. So I'm catering. Sorry, wifey. I know. You and Alexander G and Jeanette and Melissa. See, I even know every name. Maureen. I know all the names of the women. See, that's how many ladies there are. What's going on, Intense? Soul BTC. Big Wolf News this morning. Anchor. What's going on? So it's bad PPI data. PP in your eye. Okay. Price inflation. Producer price inflation came in 3 times hotter than expected. Okay. What did that do to the CME? Watch out. Watch your eyes. Here comes the flashbang. Boop. Still 100%. Okay. 100% chance of cuts coming in for September 17th Fed. Okay. So be prepared. Yeah, we had PPI data. Good morning, everybody. Sahib based. Good morning. Chainlink, we're looking at that level we gave this morning. I mean, everything's rugged right now, so you're waiting for structure, really. Yeah, right through it. Right through it. You're waiting for structure, guys. That's it. Even ADA was pumping, and it's still, yeah, it's right back to where it started. Okay? Poor ADA. Bitcoin rolling over here, everybody. Still coming down. Not looking too good. Blood in the streets, baby. The hopium pump last night. Everybody, all-time highs. Tweeting. The tweets. Everybody's just so euphoric, and guess what? Oh, yeah. I see it now. People are already buy crypto now, sell in December. All this bullshit. Man, people be scamming retail, man. No wonder retail can't stand crypto. You got these people shilling poop coins all the time, man. Have some dignity. Can we long a small amount? No trades right now. We're still waiting. Up 600 today. Watch out for those liquidity clusters. They're coming for it, Gordon. Yeah, Ivan, good morning. Jesse, good morning. Thank you for being here. Base, good morning. Waz, good morning. Can you please explain hidden bull div on market cipher? So it's a bullish divergence with a hump in between. That's it, man. That's it. There's your hidden bull div. Okay? Very simple. It's just there's price action up here that creates this higher hump here. Okay? That's your hidden bull div. Very simple, man. Right? Slow and fast is what we're looking for here. So, coming down to our levels here, we did have a buy level here. I'm not 100% convinced here. This is our point of control. So if we're zooming out like we just did, right, and we look at generally what we're looking at, and this is how we prepare, really, is what we can see is that we're back to range bound. Okay, so that's fine, right? The problem is that we've just created bearish divergence on higher term time frames. We have acceptance below the point, below the value area high, which is in here. Okay, back into the range. For me, I like to isolate this range, so I will take my fixed range volume profile and I'll put it in here, like that. Okay, and I would look for us to reclaim 119,300. Okay, that would be the area that I would look for us to push back and take so that we can continue higher. Okay, very simple. However, liquidity is in these lows, right? We can see this has been up only all the way through here. Right, we've just taken the liquidity from the low right here. Right here. Okay? We've just taken that liquidity. Does that not mean that we can still come back? Absolutely, right? Oh, look at that dynamic reactor on the 4-hour, baby. Whew. Oh, baby. All right? Order blocks down below. Okay? Lots of buy levels down below that we're prepared for. On our way down. I will extend these over now that we are back in here. Okay? But we are looking for these areas down below, and we'll see if they do get tapped. However, oh, look at this. Bitcoin's pushing back. No. Okay, careful with the chart data. Today it's been very sketchy with the price action, okay? So we're looking for a pushback. Right now, we have tapped the value area low. We're range bound again. So we'd expect a bit of chop today, okay? Chopping down, right? Why down? Because we have changed structure, okay? We'll see how this candle closes, but if it closes below this low here on a 4-hour time frame, we're changing structure, guys, okay? If we close below this low here, not this one. This isn't a low on the 4-hour. This is a low, okay? So if we close below 117,400 in the next 3 hours, we're in trouble because this is a break of structure and we would look for downside continuation. Okay? The 3, yeah, same deal. Okay? This is a low here. So we'll break structure on the 3-hour if we close. Yeah, so higher time frame, market structure change, which suggests further downside. Liquidity below is the target. Bearish divergence, higher term time frames, typically returns to where it started. I'm sorry to say this, but if you get bearish divergence, your target should be back to where the divergence started naturally. Now, we are in a very euphoric bull run and everybody's getting happy-go-lucky, and we just got rugged by the Fed. So we'll see if we do get a pushback, and maybe this was just a liquidity grab. Okay, that's the hopium side, is that this was just to sweep out all the leverage in here and push price higher. Okay, that's the idea. Is it going to happen? We have to wait and see. We can make decisions based on price action on the shorter term time frames that can put us in a position for potential longs to come back and sweep all this liquidity, okay? So if this, then that. Always prepared. Okay, so patience right now. 2 trades this morning. Up a good 600. And we'll see if we can continue to kick ass and take some names. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're prepared. You're prepared. The hourly just came in, so it did the hourly print. The hourly printed red, right? Oh, a little bit of a posture to the upside here on VWAP. Higher low on VWAP, looking to push back, okay? So it's a good sign with an anchor wave here. 30-minute here. 30-minute printed a candle too. So a confirmed red dot on the 30-minute, but very overextended to the downside, okay? This typically gets a little bit of relief. And then the 15-minute. 15-minute, confirmed red dot, overextended to the downside. So very similar story. We'll see if we can get some relief. No trade yet. Just here waiting, man. 250, 305, yeah, $600. Happy days. We'll see if we do want to continue to push. Good fun, man. Lots of good fun. Bitcoin rolling over here. Okay, still waiting. We got half an hour till market opens. We got 780 people in here, 250 likes. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new. It's a beautiful day to be in crypto. This is what happens, man. The rug show happens, and we need to be prepared for that, okay? Massive PPI data. Yeah, wrecking everybody. Look at ETH right now. Whew. Look at that. ETH is dying. ETH is coming here, man. ETH is coming to 4,400. 4,300. My God. Solana. Oh my God. Good thing I closed that trade, guys. Ooh wee. Blood in the streets. Everything down about 12, 10, 15%. My God. My God, my God. Big old rug show here. Big old rug show. Solana 185. Oh, wow. Bitcoin trying to bounce back here. No trade yet. Still waiting, guys. Good morning to everybody in here. Thank you for being here. Ada's still up. Let's go, Ada. Ryan Smith, we had PPI data. That was definitely PP in your eye this morning, everybody. 3 yellow raisins, yeah. Smart people closed the Sol trade last night. Yeah, baby. Yeah, we did. Looking for a sweep in here. Possible bounce. Look at the bounce on Solana. Bounce on Solana, retesting previous highs. Looking good on Solana here. Jeez. How's the NASDAQ? NASDAQ still rolling over. Okay. Pepe. Arrow. Walrus. Virtual. Oof, virtual. Virtual. Baby. You got wrecked city, man. Fart coin. Hot air does not rise today. Ondo. Oof. Ondo too, man. So many good setups given in the Discord, though. Holy smokes. We've been crushing it as a community. XRP. My God. The hype trade, guys. Oh, my God. That hype trade in the Discord. Whew. If you are new here, come over to the Discord. That's where it's at. That's where it's at. Given the Sol call yesterday. We have an amazing Discord. If you do want to join, full of like-minded traders. Everybody says good morning here. We have 5 traders helping you navigate the charts. Amazing group of people. Myself, live streams, setups, signals, banging trades all day, every day. HRJ, myself. Okay, giving you the alt ideas. I think I did 27 altcoins for everybody. I went through, did all the TA. We were smashing these levels, taking profits, kicking ass, taking names, doing lessons. We have a full-on tutorial on everything that I know, everything I do. We do live training sessions together. It's a great place. Ask the Discord. I mean, everybody's in here kicking ass, taking names, and succeeding is what we love to see. So, love being part of this gang. We got myself, Kyle, Brewberry, CVO, HRJ, Tradefly, all giving you guys ideas, setups, live streams, all the good stuff, man. This is the best Discord in all crypto, man. So come over and hang out if you do want to join us. The time is now. This is the bull run. You want to make some money? Take trading serious? Invest in yourself. Come over and hang out. Okay? That's the spiel. Nice pushback here. Hype pushing back. Sui pushing back. Okay, everything's getting a little pushback here. Let's not get our hopium pants on. A little patience here. We got Doji. We got hammer candle engulfing, something I don't really trade that often. I got the mountain view here, and it's starting to blind me. There we go. Pull down the blinds so we can see. A little bit of glare on the screen this morning. Are we longing? Not for me yet. Any advice for spot holders? How bad will the market take it? You hold. You just hold. That's it, man. You just hold. I mean, in situations like this, you just hold, man. I've been holding altcoins for 3 years. Okay, just hold. This is not where we're selling. This is not peak altcoin season timing. This is not. You just chill. You're chilling. That's it. All I know is that Brewberry gave the short last night, didn't he? In our beautiful Discord, didn't he? Brewberry did. He said short. He said short. This move does not have strength to break all-time highs. I think there might be a short to be had here. Considering 30-minute market structure formed, super logical to just wait and see if it breaks. Yeah, he was calling the short. Waking up to a sprinkle of regret for not shorting last night. Let's go, Bruce. See, he called it. trying to push back here. Top of the morning, Brew. We're talking about you. What's going on, man? I moved into the mountains, Rick. I'm a mountain man now. Rate cuts everyone was expecting. Now what are your thoughts? Rate cuts are still coming, man. It's just high inflation data is not good. So is the Fed cutting? The deal is, so the Fed's going to cut. Okay, the Fed's going to cut. The deal is, are they cutting to stimulate the jobs, or are they cutting because jobs are so bad and inflation is rising at the same time? So is it a panic cut, or is it a stimulus cut? That's the difference, right? Is it a panic cut, or is it a stimulus cut? We don't know. So with this data that we're going to get going into September 17th, right? Are they going to cut due to sheer panic because they're late? Or are they going to cut because they want to stimulate the economy and promote job promotion, right? Because they got to balance jobs and they got to balance inflation. It's easier to stimulate and pump jobs up. It's harder to cut inflation. I learned this from Piper, by the way. Okay? I'm a good young Padawan when it comes to fundamental analysis. I am learning every single day. Okay? That's why you go to the Piper Academy and learn. Okay? Is that right? Yeah. See, he says facts, right? I am learning. I am learning. I can't break it down like him, though. He's just got a thing with it. You know, he just kicks ass, takes names. He's got that experience, right? Like me, I've been scalping for three plus years, straight up Bitcoin, right? This is my game here. 3 white soldiers printing here, no trade. No trade. We got 18 minutes into market open, guys. Okay. $18 minutes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 700 plus people on the live stream hanging out with me this morning. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 15,000 subscribers. CryptoFace helped us get over the hump. He shilled out the beautiful channel. We've taken 2 trades live with you guys this morning. We took the scalp long here, made $300, then it dumped on us, and then we took a long here just to get our $200 back. We made another 3, so we're up 6 today. We're up 17 yesterday. We're up 7 the day before. 7, 17, 24, 6 today. We're up $3,000. Monday was $200. Yeah, so we're up $3,200 this week. Really good week so far. And it's not even over, baby. We got a lot of trading left to do. Let's go. Let's go. I love weeks like this, man. I do have bad weeks. I do take losses on the stream. I'd show you the losses as well. Getting a nice recovery here on the altcoins, guys. Nice bounce back. Nice bounce back. Anybody buy any of these dips? Put a 1 in the chat. Let me know. Yeah, nice bounce back. Okay. Look at that AVAX trade we gave in the Discord. Whoo-wee. Whoo-wee. This one was the retest. This was the actual trade we gave in the Discord. Oh, my God. So good. So good. Bitcoin pushing here. NASDAQ recovering a little bit too. Reckon the liquidity, man. That's basically what they've done. They've swept all this liquidity. Let's see if they can reclaim. Solana alert coming back up. Are you guys buying the dip? Don't trip. Buy the dip. Buying the dips. Let's go. I tried my bank account, said no. Oh, okay. Alex, bro, will crypto rise again? I'm sure it will, man. I'm sure. They are printing dollars. Therefore, price goes up. Price goes up. Currently sitting on hands. I'm on hands too right now. We wait, right? We buying. Let's go, Alaman. Thank you for being here. Gordon, where's the liquidity cluster today, buddy? I mean, yesterday we nailed that liquidity cluster. Gordon, where are we looking for the liquidity cluster? If you guys weren't here yesterday, we absolutely caught we spoon-fed everybody on the live stream. We said we're getting long here if we close back up. Okay, quick $400 on that long yesterday due to perfect entry call this morning on the live stream. It's all about liquidity clusters. An amazing long yesterday on that liquidity cluster. Let's see some liquidity in the chat. If we could get some liquidity or some otters, whatever you're into in the chat, that would be great. If we could blow up the chat with some liquidity and some otters. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up like buttons, hanging out with AlexOCrypto. God bless you guys, man. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We here live, kicking ass, taking names, taking trades. Traders helping traders, and traders helping traders. That's it, baby. Let's go. Trading is waiting, so let's try and be patient here. I know it's not easy after the big rug, okay? Thank you, everybody, for being here and taking trades with me, man. 271 likes, 750 people. We can do a little bit better. Let's get to at least 350. If we can get to 350, that'd be really cool, man. Setting a record today for the amount of views. Thank you, guys, for being here and hanging out and subscribing. Lots of good fun, man. Okay. Yeah, so we got our buy levels down below. Really, what we're looking for, let's look at a macro, not a macro, but a range-bound point of control or golden pocket. Let's make sure that we're looking at that. We got lots of order blocks down below, but let's do the full Monty in here. Okay, oof, we don't have that golden pocket marked out that well, so let's keep that in the pink box area here. That would be the pink box. That would be the value area low of this range too, I believe. Yeah. Okay. Interested. It's not just remember, market structure has flipped here. So we could be coming a lot lower, guys. So let's just be patient. Let's see what happens on market opens. We can expect the S&P to open up very bearishly. That's just natural. Because it's going to be one of those where it's like, hey, man, everything else in futures is dumped, so we got to follow suit. Got to follow suit. They're not going to make the long easy. Let's face it, right? Anytime they give in the big move, right? Here's the big move, right? Here's the big move. Has this bottom been easy to buy? No. Has this bottom been easy to buy? No. Right? And we were saying that they were going to string us along. And we've been doing this fractal because this is just plain Jane. Okay, we've been doing this fractal all week. All week. We said they're going to send it up, give you guys all the hopium in the world. How many times did I say this, guys? How many times? You guys probably getting bored of me saying it. So they're going to send it up. They've swept once. They're going to send it up, and they might sweep again just to wreck everybody, just for fun. And then we go, okay? I don't like to say I told you so, and I'm not that guy. I'm the guy who says, be prepared for this. This is unsustainable. Look at this. Price action don't necessarily move like this all the time, okay? You get impulsive moves, you get a little retest, and then you get a consolidation, then you get impulsive moves, consolidation, okay? That's how Bitcoin tends to go up when it sustains. You see the impulsive move? We haven't gotten one of these in here. This is just a slow grind up creating liquidity. Okay, so a slow grind up creating liquidity is like this, right? Liquidity, what do? Right? Impulsive move up, impulsive move down. Bart Simpson, back into the range. What do? One more time. Okay? We're rolling over right now as we speak. So what do we wait for? We wait for bottoming structure, right? We wait for price to come into a key level, bounce, break structure, and then go. 1, 2, 3, as we teach, okay? So we wait, right? We set the traps. We wait for structure to tell us otherwise. There's no reason to take, you can scalp, and it's a different game scalping, right? But if you're trying to take a swing long here, you got to wait for confirmation, in my opinion. Or you got to wait for a very critical level to be tapped, and then a higher high and a higher low. That's it. Coming into market open, we got 10 minutes, everybody. Let's see if we get some fireworks this morning. 2 trades this morning. PPI data, man. Rocking the world, man. Who would have thought? No, everybody thought the inflation data on Tuesday was going to be the data. And PPI, PP'd in your eye. What a wild time. Thank you guys for getting those likes up to 300. I do appreciate it. What do you think about the recent PPI data in the U.S.? I'm asking Grok, what do you think about the PPI data? Let's see what he says. It's talking about July. It doesn't have the data right now. It's not there yet. It doesn't know what it's talking about yet. See? We're more up to date than the AI is. We're more up to date here. Look at all that liquidity in the chat. Thank you guys. Manufactured inflation. That sweep was good enough for me. Up only from here. Okay. You have to spoon feed actual data. This is a liquidity grab sweep. We won't go lower. Okay. Delayed learning. Yeah. Who cares? Bitcoin was designed to be a honey badger and not give any Fs. Let's go, baby. MexC charts are F'd? Yeah, I bet. MexC is questionable, but cheap fees, right? If you can't afford the fees, if you're scalping, right, it's hard, right, to scalp with high fees. 8 minutes to go. Let's go, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning to every single one of you. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto Show. We're here live, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday to Friday. We have an amazing Discord. We trade live with you guys. We give multiple setups. We take live trades. We show you our trades. We compound accounts. We just turned 25,000 into 50,000 live with you guys in 3 weeks. Okay, we're trading a $100,000 account using 44x leverage, risking $300 to $500 per trade, depending on the setup. Looking to make anywhere between $300 to $900 per trade. Taking trades live with you guys, hanging out, giving you guys the key levels, my thoughts, my ideas, my play-by-play, how I trade it, all that good stuff during the live. If you do want to learn and take that further, you join the Discord where I do a lot of one-on-one lessons with the whole community, and we go through everything. Orb trading, VWAP trading, liquidity trading, reversals, how to enter, how to use your exchange, how to manage leverage, how to manage yourself, all that good stuff. And also, you get spoon-fed setups all the time. All the time. Very active in there, small-knit community, very humbled by the amount of people who hang out in there. The testimonials make my day. We've been able to help people change their lives, and that's what it's all about. At the end of the day, we're traders helping traders. I've been full-time trading myself for over 2 years here, paying the bills trading, okay? Not one of these guys who needs you to sign up to your exchange, tell you, buy my course. I don't even have a course. Just join the Discord. It's basically a course in here, okay? That's what it's all about. I've done so many lessons that we record the lessons, and you get all these videos for just joining. There's your $50, okay? Look at all these videos on everything I know, okay? Come over and just watch the damn videos for $50. spoiled. Okay? And maybe you'll stay because you'll see how good it is. That should be the selling point of the Discord, eh? All of those lessons. I mean, I think I've been recording these lessons for a year. And sometimes we do 4 lessons in one session. We did 3 yesterday. Okay? We did 3 lessons yesterday. We did leverage and risk management. We did setting up key areas, fixed range volume profile tool. And we did an up-only rules-based trading video. We did this yesterday. We did this yesterday. Right? My God. We did the volume yesterday, the volume levels, fixed range volume profile. That's a year's worth. 3 times a week, 52 weeks, over 150 lessons in there, minimum. That's crazy. Crazy value. That should just be the selling point, shouldn't it? But I ain't here to sell you anything. Okay. Crypto Billy in the chat. What's going on, bro? Over 100. Is that trillion wiped out from the crypto market cap in the past 24 hours? Is that trillion, Billy? Is that trillion? How many zeros is that, bro? I love a Crypto Billy screenshot, man. It's always like old school grandpa mode. I love it, man. You're the best. Look at that, man. People just got slapped. Doji engulfing coming right now. Into market open, 3 minutes. No trade. No trade. We wait. Jesus. That is a sea of red. Deer, can you give me... I ain't no deer, man. I identify as Lord Otter and King Beaver. Sahib. Okay? Lord Otter, King Beaver are my pronouns. Deer. Anyways. ETH is bouncing right here. I would look at 4,400. 4,366. Retested these highs. I'm going to be surprised if it rugs all the way back down here. Wouldn't be surprised. Let's go swing low to swing high on ETH. Sahib. Golden pocket 786. Look at that. So looking to hold here. Looking to hold here. We'll even send an alert for you, my friend. All right. See if we come down to it. Bitcoin flat. Market cipher. If we get a sweep in here, we get a nice bull divs. I'm down to long that, but not until then. They faked you out with the 3 white soldiers already. They're playing games. Let's not be a victim of their games, okay? Let's just participate safely. That's what we're here to do. We are not market makers. We're not anything special. We're just here to press buy and sell successfully while managing risk with strategy. We want to take high probability trade setups. That's our job. We want to use good risk management, be strict with ourselves, and hopefully compound our accounts day by day. Slow but surely. Over time, be the turtle, as CryptoFace says. Okay, be the turtle. There's no rush here. I mean, what? We're up $600. Some people, $600 is like $1,000 Canadian. I just made someone's Walmart weekly wage in 20 minutes this morning. Okay? The opportunity will compound. Once your account starts to grow. I remember when I turned my account. I turned a $1,000 account to a $100,000 account in just over a year and a half. Then I went full time. But I remember once this account hit like 20,000, 20K, and I started, some days I would have like a $1,000 day. I'm like, what? What? Right? I've had $13,000 days. I've had, like But it's all this. It's small wins, small losses, small wins, small losses, big win every now and then, small losses, small losses, big win, small losses, small win, small win, small win, small win, big win, right? That's how it should look. Every now and then you'll go on a losing streak. I've had those too. Or you'll trade fart coin like I did. Oh man, that was a mistake. Right? You get your inner degen comes out sometimes. At the end of the day, you got to protect your downside, right? There's no funny money. It's only, you got to be serious. This is a business. You treat it like a business. Market is open. S&P's dumping, as expected. Ding, 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 ding. Nice gap above us, though. Nice gaps below us, too. So S&P rolling over this morning. Sea of red. NASDAQ trying to hold. Bitcoin trying to hold. We'll see what we get this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live show, hanging out with me every single day. God bless you if you are new here. Thank you for subscribing and hanging out. Hopefully we can help you navigate these charts and make some moolah. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin, Ruggin, everybody, okay? Steve Ruggles, whatever you're into, man. Okay. Nice shoe pattern here. So we got a little stiletto forming right now. So I'm looking for the SFP and the bounce. If you don't know what a shoe pattern is, this is the one right here, the big ass shoe, okay? Price action makes a big old wick down. Then we get a flat bottom and then a sweep. We can possibly get one of those right now. So let's see if we do get it. 2 successful trades this morning, even in the chaos, okay? Looking for a little pushback here for Bitcoin. Probably come back up and retest this low here at 12400. We'll see. Doji engulfing right now as we speak. Typically, I would buy this, but I'm not going to today. I want to see bottoming structure. This is not sufficient, in my opinion. So we wait. Just waiting. NASDAQ pushing back here. Nice pushback for NAS. SPY still falling down, okay? Contrarian. 12-minute. Green dot confirmed. Trying to push back here. Typically in the Discord, we would long this, but where we are, we're in a downtrend. We're trying to bottom out here. This could go, but for me, it's not worth it right now. I'd rather wait to see some price action develop. Remember, when you're up $600 or whatever you're up, when you're up a chunk of money after a couple of trades, your job is wealth preservation, right? You want to continue to hold your capital so that you can use that capital to compound that capital, right? So you don't want to give it back. And a lot of the time as a trader, in my experience, if you've had a good day and then you continue to push it, a lot of the time you give it back. It's just how the market is. The market will humble you. So let's be aware of that. Here's our little wick test right now. Little wick test down here. So let's be aware of that. Thank you, everybody, for being here. So keep your money. Keep your money. Be patient. That's it. MexC charts aren't working. Yeah. MexC, cheap fees, Bolsh exchange. Otters in the chat, thank you guys for being here. Curtis Neal, good morning. Jesse, good morning. Thank you guys for being here. Dave, Curtis Hill, 420, Blaze, what's going on? That was PPI, Blaze, this morning. Waffle Cones, thank you for being here as well. Cedric, good morning. Thank you for being here. Jay Violet, good afternoon. Tomorrow, Putin into Trump. Putting it into Trump. A Trump is a fart in England. I guess we're putting it in the Trump. We're putting it in the fart tomorrow. So cool. Hope I can be as disciplined as you one day. The only reason why I'm disciplined is because of the pain I put myself through when I was new. You ask Sniper's Nightmare. You ask Paper Planes. You ask Dave Digital. You ask Frankie Candles. You ask... When I first started, guys, I was as degen as they came. Have you heard of TRB? I keep TRB right at the top of my watch list to remind me of how degen I was. I used to go 125x leverage with $5. And I used to share my P&L cards and be like, look at me, bro. Look at me. I made 30 cents on this because I took profit right away. Loser. I'll admit to it. I did it. I wanted to, people to say GG's, good trade. And I was just lying to myself, man. If you want to take this game seriously, you got to manage your risk. You have to have a strategy. A lot of people are like, oh, my mindset's messed up. No shit. You don't have a strategy. What's your strategy? Develop a strategy. Build a strategy around that. I teach many strategies in the Discord. But until you get your $1,000 account and you stop trying to turn it, degen trade it, and sometimes you'll win. Sometimes you'll make a bomb-ass trade. And it'll give you a little hopium. And then you give it all back. And then bomb-ass trade. And you give it all back. Then you lose. Until you want to be a disciplined trader, manage your risk ruthlessly and trade only your strategy, you won't be successful. That's why people come and go, man. I've seen so many over the years. There's very few who have stuck around. Tony Soprano, Sniper's Nightmare, Lunar Beach's Krypto, Army Piper, okay? Paper Planes. Longevity, okay? Longevity. You want to last in this game. And if you don't, you're just gonna end up coming in here saying trading is bullshit. You're gonna blow your account over and over again. Maybe you just keep doing it. Maybe you're a gambler. Maybe you should take a look at yourself. I don't know. Thank God I've never been a guy who goes to the casino. I've been to the casino probably 4 times in my life. I have a really good casino story where oh man, 2 good casino stories. Just out with the boys, man. Maybe I'll tell the Discord the casino story on Friday. It's rated R. We'll just say that. Good times. Four-step strategy. YOLO. Yeah. NASDAQ pushing up nicely right now, guys. This is a good sign of strength. Return of the Mac, okay? Nice pushback for NAS. SPY's bouncing too. So some hopium in the air. Leading the way. Possibly push for Bitcoin coming in here. You got bounces on... Yeah, ETH is looking to push. Solana looking to push. Bitcoin looking to push as well. A little bit more ruggy on Bitcoin. Alts are looking bouncy though. No trade for me. Still waiting. I'm looking for that SFP, guys. You guys know me. This is our point of control of the range here. It's a very critical volume level that we're holding here. So it would take a couple of attempts for the bears to push through this price level. Okay, so be aware of that. Hanging man candle. Hanging man trying to push. No. Hanging man push engulfing. I like that candle if we get that. Damn, AVAX, man. ADA's still up 2%, guys. Effing ADA, man. No comment. That's hilarious. Sui's what? Bear flag, man. Bear flag. No trade. Bitcoin looking to roll over here. They're not done with you yet. They're not done with you yet. We still wait here. They're not done with you guys yet. Looking for an SFP here, guys. Swing failure pattern. Close back within the range. With good candle structure, good volume, we can take the trade. Right now, no trade. We wait. Let me get rid of the raise. I don't need the raise on my chart. Okay, coming down here. $24 looks like it can push back. Sweep of the lows right now, coming in. Still coming down. Money flow's coming out as well, so not looking too good here for Bitcoin. Big old dump, man. Big old dump. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good times, man. 700 people in here. 350 likes. You guys are incredible, man. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Looking for a pushback here. No pushback so far. Teasing us with this SFP right now. We got 20 seconds left on this candle, guys. No trade. Still waiting here. Ugly candle. Ugly candle. Very ugly candle. No trade. Breaking down right now. Five-minute looks nasty too. 8-minute looks nasty as well. No trade here. Trying to push. Halfway up. Probably get rejected. There it is. Rejected. Retest to the lows. Continuation down. So NASDAQ still bouncing. Stalling out. SPY stalling out as well. Still waiting here, guys. I'm going to send you over Brew's live too right now. Brew is live. Piper's live. I don't know who to send you guys to. We're gonna ask the people, man. I'm gonna send you to our Discord trader or Piper Academy. Where to after the show? We're gonna go Brewberry. We're going to go Piper Academy. Brewberry's the man. I love Brewberry. Brewberry's been teaching and trading with me for forever, man. And he's been in the Discord forever, doing it for free. And we pay him now, obviously. And I'm very happy to pay that man. He's nothing but a good soul. Very good person. Love that guy. He came to see me in Vegas, man. Bitcoin conference. He drove 5 hours just to come see my little hobbit ass. I love that guy. Let the people decide, man. It's the people's channel. We just here to press buy and sell, man. I'm just happy you guys are here keeping me company. Trading can be lonely. I started a YouTube to get better at trading. I learned from talking it through and visual and trying to explain myself, and I've been doing that solid for 3 years, just trying to get better at trading. That's the whole point of this whole channel. The Discord was free for 2.5 years. We just wanted to get better at trading, and now that we're good, in my opinion, we're pretty good. Can be better every day, but nice pushback here. NASDAQ continuing to push. Can we engulf? It'd be a nice engulfing candle. No engulf. Okay. Good pushback. No engulfing. No trade. Got downwards momentum coming in here too. It's got to show a decent sign of strength here. No volume has come in here. So for me, if we're coming down for an SFP, I want to see volume. I want to see that oof, right? It's done a job. If it hasn't given me that volume, it's hard for me to justify jumping in. Brewberry for the win, man. Nice pushback here. Brewberry hates when we send a lot of people over too, man. Because it's mainly for the Discord members. Nice pushback. How you feeling today, Piper? I think you were not feeling too hot yesterday. Hopefully you're feeling better, bro. I've also met Piper in real life. He's a great human as well. Find your people, right? Stalling out here. A little bit of people licking their wounds, really. That's what's going on. Licking their wounds here. Bitcoin not too happy. Not too happy after that. Neither is ETH. ETH has rebounded pretty nicely. Okay. Maybe we go over and trade ETH. What do we got here on ETH? ETH got bull divs in here, trying to make a higher high right now. There's bottoming structure. So what are you waiting for? 1, 2, 3 down, right? Everybody in the Discord knows, right? 1, 2, 3 down. Trying to push back here on Bitcoin. Still no volume coming in, which is kind of surprising in my opinion after something like this. S&P is recovering quite nicely, everybody. So is the NASDAQ. Bitcoin's kind of flat. It's kind of weird. It's kind of a different vibe here. Much better. Thank you. Thank you, man. Find your people, Billy. Billy Goat Tails. Let's go, baby. Thoughts on Polygon? Pole? I sold my Matic basically at the first pump of the altcoin season, way back like 2.5 years ago. How are the markets so connected? Must be the algos controlling the bulk of... Well, it's market makers and algos, right? Bitcoin trades a lot like leveraged NASDAQ. It always has, right? There's always a nice correlation between the two that I've found. You know, for me, I've found some good confluence within the two. That's helped me, you know, it helps me take like a B setup to an A setup, right? It adds a little bit of extra flavor to it. Nice pushback here for Bitcoin. Still no bottoming. Too many stuff on my charts. Yeah, but if you know what I'm looking at, it's not really too much stuff on my charts. Like I get as a scalper, I know what I'm looking for. So does the Discord. They know what they mean. We got our volume levels in here. Look at the perfect volume level support level. We got our buy levels. We got our sell levels. We got our boxes. Okay, I could turn on the whole spiel if you wanted, right? If you want to get all jiggy with it. This is my bread and butter. I could trade this like this, guys. You guys know that. I don't even need VWAP. I could trade this like this. I mostly do trade this like this. I just want to know if we're entering a key level, if I have confluence in that area to take it from a B setup to an A+ setup. That will help me make a better decision, allow me to maybe add size. It'll also allow me to have more confidence in the trade. Okay, I wanna increase my win rate, so I have to take trades in key areas, right? If I'm not doing that, then I'm putting myself at a disadvantage. Okay, and yes, it looks messy. You should see when I zoom out, guys. This looks like Etch-a-Sketch, man. Okay, look at that. You like that? But I'm a scalper, man. I'm on 3-minute time frame. I always tell people in the Discord, just decide on what you want to do, right? For me, when I traded and I had a full-time job, okay, I decided that I wanted to trade for 2 to 3 hours after dinner in Australia. I lived in Australia, okay? So I had a London session to trade every single night, and I learned how to trade within that 3 hours. That was my trading strategy. My whole goal was to come to the charts, execute a couple of trades, and go to bed. And I've taken that strategy over 3 years and refined it, obviously, to New York open now because there's more volume. And ask most people in the Discord, I'm done by 11 o'clock in the morning. Like, who doesn't want to come, wake up, bang out a couple trades, and go and spend the rest of their day with their family? What's important to you, right? Ask yourself that. For me, it's my family. I'll come in here, I'll execute, focused, and go from there, right? If you want to be a swing trader, cool. Plan your strategy around that, right? If you want to be a spot buyer, whatever. If intraday, maybe one trade a day, maybe one trade a week, right? Nice 3 soldiers here, trying to push up. ETH making a higher high. Good job. Bitcoin trying to rip here, trying to push back. We have our orb set for the day. Very ugly orb, everybody. Very ugly. Here's some more lines for you, by the way. Love it, man. Love it. And some globes as well. We got the globes for you. It's a very ugly orb. However, we can break orb and trend upwards here. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Continuation. Do I trade smart money concepts? I understand smart money concepts. We have a trader in our Discord whose name is Brewberry, who does trade smart money concepts, okay? So I trade order blocks, Fibonacci, VWAP, pivot points, key levels of support and resistance. But I mostly trade price action and market structure, volume and liquidity. That's me. That's me in a nutshell. That's why we got long here. That's why we got long here. And that's why we're up $600. Trying to push here. Getting above orb, looking better. ETH is looking good. We're looking for this on ETH though. 1, 2, 3 in here, guys. If you are a part of the Discord, that's what we're looking for. They know. I'm not convinced on this low right now. That's why I'm not taking no long trade here. And hey ho, it could be the one. It's not for me to decide. NASDAQ full recovery after the dump. So very nice V-shaped recovery for the NASDAQ. S&P coming back, filling in the gap, looking good as well. Big rejection here on NASDAQ. Okay. A little bit different here. I think I'm going to send you over to the Piper Academy because for me, too many people on Brewberry stream drives them nuts. So I'm going to respect that for Brew. Piper always covers for me when I need a day, so I appreciate Piper a lot. If you're a part of the Discord, you can go over and watch Brewberry anyways. You guys got the link anyways, so you're good to go there. Hanging Man, continuation trade, low rejection on NASDAQ, trying to pump and continue here. Bitcoin stalling out, not looking too strong. One hour candles are blasting up. When pitchforks. I've looked at pitchforks. I've also looked at like bat patterns and stuff. I don't touch Elliott waves. I'm aware of like an ABC correction. I'm aware of a 5-wave and a 3-wave. Like I'm not naive to the fact, but I definitely do not trade those. But if we can get into some Fibonacci pitchforks. How about some wedges? I love a good wedge, like a good a good, like potato wedge. So good, man. Nice, crispy, hot, juicy in the inside. A little bit of paprika, salt and pepper. Ooh. Wedges are so good, man. Don't get me talking about food, guys. This will not end well. Ooh, some fib circles. Let's do some. There is a guy post in our Discord. He does fib circles. I have no idea how he does it. I really don't. I don't look. These look like targets to me, right? And I love fibs, but keep those circles away from me, man. Stalling out here. No continuation for Bitcoin. ADA bouncing. So a lot of these are bouncing, which is a good sign. Still not looking that great. Not looking that great. Virtual bouncing. Well, okay. Fartcoin. Yeah. Bounce, bounce, bounce. That's altcoins, though. They're volatile, right? They're going to do this nasty kind of dance here. ETH bouncing. Solana coming back within our range at 195 here. That's a good sign of strength. Solana's looking good as well. Bitcoin's looking weak. Bitcoin could chop sideways and we could get a recovery for altcoins today. That's what I'm seeing. However, if Bitcoin decides to roll over again, pink box, 16.5, 116.5, then we're looking much lower. Looking much lower. Down 6% from all-time highs. Man. What was the sign here at the high? Let's take a look at the high. So we push. We push. We make our all-time high. We get basically an SFP back into the range. So you could have shorted in here. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Retracement level, 382, rejection. Market structure changes in here. This one isn't lost till... Yeah, they didn't make it easy last night. So your short really is here. Wild. 12 in the morning. Nasty. Big rollover. All the way down into here. Failing to close a higher high right here. This doesn't look good for Bitcoin. Looks pretty weak. Looks pretty weak. I'm going to update the Discord. Incredible stream, guys. Like, action-packed stream at the beginning. If you're new here, subscribe. Thank you. So many people on this show today. Holy smokes. We're going to send you over to Piper Academy. Hopefully, he's firing that up now. Warning you, Piper. Start your show. I'm going to send them over to you. Guys, thank you guys so much for being here. We'll update the Discord. We'll be prepared. We'll be here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day. Hopefully, we've helped you navigate these charts today. If not, come back tomorrow. Let's see what we get. God bless. Take care. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over